Hello and welcome to AMP Futures video. Today we're going to be featuring TradingView. I'm going to show you how to get set up with that exciting website and how to actually live trade through that website. Alright, so here we go. So you're going to go to any search window and go to www.tradingview.com, and in the upper right hand side it'll tell you to join for free. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And all you have to do is enter your email. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, and then I'm going to click sign up. Okay, so now it's going to say, what do you want your username to be? I'm going to go ahead and put a username in. Okay, there's my username. And then I'll create a password as well. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. An activation key has been sent to my email address. I'm going to go ahead and click OK on that. So let's jump over to my email here. And if you look in your email, you'll see in my Outlook, TradingView, and the link has been activated. Okay, so all we have to do is click on it. Okay, and there you go. So this is the front page. You'll notice right here, there's the username that I just created. Okay, you'll see the S&P 500 when this market's open. Those are live, the Nikkei 225 and the NASDAQ. Okay, on the right hand side, you'll see a watch list. You can click on the far right side. You can set alerts. You can watch the top stocks that are trading. Economic calendar will come up here in just a minute, so you can see what news is coming out for that day. Okay, and you can see earnings report, who's going to be posting, and what's expected. Okay, as you work your way down the line, you can get into the social media aspect. There's a chat window, and it is currently live. People are constantly in this community interacting with one another, and that's what's so exciting about this platform. It allows you to share your ideas as well. Okay, so you can create an idea stream and follow your favorite posting, and that's what's in the center of the page here. Okay, so you can click on trending today. What was the most discussed, who had the most views, and things like that. Okay, so you can go through, and this is very much a social media site, again, idea exchange. But one of the key features, especially for AMP clients, is that you're able to trade from this platform. And it's all web-based. So I'm going to take you over there now and show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go to the top. We're going to go over here to chart. You're going to click on the chart. Okay, and it's going to pull up a chart for us here. Okay, so we've got the S&P 500. It's on a one-day chart. We're going to go ahead and let's put in something that we're familiar with, even the S&P futures. So we're going to go ES. Okay, and it should give us a drop-down list. And you should see that right there, ES, S&P 500 E-mini futures, and we're going to choose the ESM 2016, the June contracts. Okay, so here we are on a one-day chart. I actually want to look at this on a 1-minute chart, so I'm going to go ahead and click on a 1-minute chart, and there's my 1-minute chart. Now, you will notice that it says delayed right here in the upper right-hand side, and also along the trade window, you'll see that it says brokers not connected. Okay, so for those of you with live username and password, we're going to go ahead and get connected. So we're going to right-click on the chart, and you're going to go to trading, and it's going to say connect to CQG, and we're going to go ahead and connect to CQG. Okay, so before we go ahead and connect, we want to check our account. It's going to check our username and password to make sure that we're already paying for data fees at AMP. You don't want to get charged data fees on this side. So we've set it up that all AMP customers are not going to pay a single cent extra by using this platform. So you're going to want to check your account here. Okay, CME Group non-professional user fees. You're not going to pay any extra. Go ahead and click Next. Okay, you're going to put in your username and password again. So let's go ahead and do that again. And now we're going to check our live connection. It's been verified, so we won't be getting charged on this side, okay? So I want you to pay attention to that. Make sure that you do that, and now you can go ahead and log in, okay? Let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put that back in again one more time. All right, just give it a second here. Should log us in. There you go. And as you can see, it's going to open up to my order book, show me what I've done so far. Okay, and notice that we have real-time data coming in now. Okay, now that we're connected, you can see the S&P E-mini futures for June right there, 2054. Last, there you can see it, okay? All right, so let's do this. We are going to now take a look at some of the features of the platform, some of the features of the charts and things like that. First of all, if you notice on your left-hand side, all your drawing tools are going to be located on that side. So if I want to draw a trend line, I can go in here and snap a simple trend line. Okay, if I want to change and add a different instrument, or rather a different trend line, I can go ahead and we're going to remove this trend line. So maybe I want to grab this pitchfork. I'm going to bring the pitchfork out here. Okay. So I can set my pitchfork as well. When I'm done with it, right click, just go down, and you can remove it off of the charts. Okay. So there's some different studies within that pitchfork. So what you want to do is just click on the line and hit remove, and that'll take it off. You can adjust the chart back and forward, just like other platforms. On the side here, you can drag it up and down. Okay, on the bottom, you can stretch it out or compact, make it more compact. If you want to change the scheme of the chart, you can right-click. You can change the background by going to color theme. Just to be standard across the board, we're going to leave it at white. But if you want to, you can go in and change that to black. But we're going to go back and change it to white. So color scheme, let's go ahead and make that white again. Right-click, you can go to properties. And for instance, the candles, maybe you want something a little bit more robust on your candles. Okay, so you can see you can change the borders as well, and then click OK. Now, as far as trading, the trade window is right here on the charts. Okay, you can choose to trade there, or you can right-click on the charts. In this case, since we're connected to our live account, I'm going to go ahead and put an order in away from the market. I'm going to go down below here. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to go to trading, and there are my choices of what I can do. So I'm down here at 2052 even. I'm going to go ahead and hit buy on that. Make sure it's a one lot. Make sure that the symbol's correct, my account's correct. Okay, and then hit buy. As you can see, the order will show up in my book as working. You'll see it working on the chart as well. Okay, I can move that chart and adjust it. It's going to ask me to confirm. Click modify. Okay. Well, if I want to cancel that order, just hit the X. Are you sure you want to cancel that? I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put a series of working orders in. Okay. So in this case, let's say that we want to right click here again. Go to trading. I want to work to buy one here. Confirm. Then I want to go up top above the market. Okay, we'll scrunch it down so we go a little further out. Up here, I want to right click, go to trading, and I want to sell one at 57 even. Okay, and if I bought one, let's say the market comes down, we get filled, I want to work a stop order to protect myself in case the market continues to go lower. So I'm going to reach back here. I'm going to right click, trading. Okay, in this case I can create a new order. I'm going to make that a stop order down below at 20.51 even. I'm going to hit sell, and so there's a sell stop order. Okay, so that's how you do that. If I want to cancel these orders, just go through and click the X. Yes, I do. Cancel and canceled. Okay. One more thing I want to mention about the real time here in the corner. It's a good idea to clear your cache. That way you have no cookies or anything conflicting with the data coming in. You can hit F5, or again you can log out and log back in, and that'll update your real time if you notice any kind of lags or anything like that. Okay, again, it is a web-based platform. You can access it anywhere on the web, so it's always a good idea to clear your cookies out. Okay, so that shows you how to set up the charts. If you want to switch to a different chart, simply go up here, and in this case, let's go ahead and see what's going on in the June crude. So I'm going to click on CL, and it's going to show us right here, light crude futures. Click on that. There's the June contracts. Let's click on that and see what's going on in the crude markets. Okay. So we can see that so that's how you're going to go through and access. So if you even just have the first letter, you're going to go here and type in that letter. It's going to give you the drop-down menu. Okay. Now, a couple of things that you can do is you can publish your ideas about this market after you have put your indicators and your drawings on there, and you want to share it with the rest of the thousands of traders that are on here. Okay, you can go to the idea stream. We don't have any chosen yet, but we could certainly go back out to the main screen and start looking for people that have the same ideas that you're looking for. Here's one right now in the chat window. And so if you want to follow, okay, you just click on follow, and then his charts and things will start to show up, and you can exchange ideas and things like that. Okay, so I'm not going to click follow yet, but you can go through, and if you like the conversation of a particular person or their view, you can click on any of these and hit follow. Okay, and that will connect you to them. Okay, so again, you can access all those things here on the right side. Okay, as far as on the chart now, I just wanted to make sure we covered that you can change chart style, the style of the charts, okay? The time frame of the charts, your indicators, okay? So you can certainly add indicators, Bollinger Band. So I just added the Bollinger Band ribbons. I can go into the settings and change those, format them as I see fit. Okay, could go back to indicators again, estimated moving average, I can put that in, volume-based trading, CCI. It's going to give you a couple of different choices. Whatever you're not using, take it off. Maybe I want to keep the CCI, but get rid of the rest, the rate of change and all that. And I just want to keep the CCI. Okay. So you can choose from this list as it drops down to indicators. You can make this widescreen if you want, full screen mode, so it'll take up your entire monitor. Okay. All right. So we just wanted to show you how to go ahead and get set up with this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@ampfutures.com. And you can also go to our website, www.ampfutures.com, and we have a chat window there too, so you'll be connected directly to our 24-hour help desk. All right, I want to thank you guys for listening in. Happy trading.